Hello doctors, this is an ETT tube and you can see here a main wide bore tube with a balloon in the end, and then there is a small tube at the side, again with a balloon at its beginning, and this balloon is inflated and by a 10 cc syringe, and that 10 cc air, it helps to inflate the main balloon of endotracheal tube. So here you can see endotracheal tube within the airway, and the main balloon is just above the carina, and the mark of 24 is at the level of lips. So the balloon, which is inflated with the help of side small tube, is inflated to keep the endotracheal tube in position. You can also see here that at the level of almost 12 to 15 centimeter, vocal cords, they are present. And if you further cover 10 to 15 centimeter distance, then you reach just above the carina, that is the bifurcation of trachea. Here again you can see that a 10 cc syringe is used to push air into the small balloon of the side tube, so that the main pilot balloon, which is present just above the carina, it gets inflated by pushing air into the small balloon, which has got one-way valve. So this is the position of the neck of the patient. It is extended, and this is laryngoscope. The green arrow was showing blade and the red arrow was showing the handle of laryngoscope, and its light, it helps us to advance the endotracheal tube through V-shaped vocal cords into the larynx and then into the trachea. So this is how you hold laryngoscope handle in your left hand, and through your right hand you slip the endotracheal tube through the corner of the mouth, and through the light of the laryngoscope you can see a V-shaped opening of the vocal cord, and then you insert the tube through that V-shaped opening into the airways. Once the tube is through the vocal cord, we further advance it for 10 to 15 centimeter, so that the pilot balloon, it reaches just above the carina. And after that, we inflate the balloon, small balloon, which is a one-way balloon, which is present in the beginning of the small tube, through 10 cc syringe, and hence the pilot balloon, it get fixed into the trachea just before its bifurcation. Once the tube is inserted, in order to secure it, we take a bandage and we curve this bandage around the main tubing of endotracheal tube, and we give one or two knots, and then the two ends of the bandage, they are wrapped around the face, and they are tied on the side of the face, but make sure that it is not tied so firmly that it produces some sores on the face. It's better to use a sticking tape, which is not that damaging as the bandage can be, because of the pressure effect it produces. So this is how we are passing endotracheal tube live in our unit. You can see here that the doctor is holding handle of the laryngoscope and showing the other doctor the V-shaped space between the vocal cord, and then through the angle of the mouth, the lady doctor, she is slipping that endotracheal tube within the vocal cord space, and then after that a 10 cc syringe is taken, and it is inflated with air, so that the main pilot balloon, it gets inflated and it gets fixed into the carina. Then before securing endotracheal tube, we attach an embo bag through the main opening of the ETT, and we push air through the embo bag, and we place the chest piece of the stethoscope on the lungs to see that whether that air which is being pushed through embo bag is reaching to both lungs equally or not. After we have confirmed the position, then we secure endotracheal tube. Thank you very much.